you ever felt frustrated with planning because your schedule is unpredictable or time blocking just doesn't work for you, you are not alone. But what if you could plan in a way that meets you where you are? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Hi, my name is Darian Wilson, and I'm the Digital Media Director here at Moxie Life. And welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on future videos. Moxie fam, now is the perfect time to refresh and reset whether you're using our physical or digital planners. All of our weekly planners are on sale, and we have a free live training, Live Differently, Break Free from Burnout, and Create a Life That Feels Like Yours, coming up soon, so you do not want to miss out on that, and make sure you register using the description box below. Today, I am sharing 3 flexible planning spreads designed to help you stay organized without feeling restricted. Whether you're dealing with unpredictable days, low energy, or just need a different way to approach your week, these 3 methods will help. Remember, your planner is a tool that adjusts to you even in the messy seasons. Instead of ditching it when you feel stuck, let's use it differently. These 3 spreads will help you plan in a way that matches your energy, your season, and your mindset. You've probably heard of time blocking, but have you heard of energy blocking? If you often feel drained because even finishing your to-do list is a struggle, or you struggle with just sticking with your to-do list, or find it hard to get started on big tasks, you might want to try energy blocking. Instead of scheduling your tasks by time, you categorize them by energy level: high, medium, and low. Then you work off that list based off of how you feel that day, rather than forcing yourself to stick to a strict schedule. To do this, you're going to do this. Draw 3 sections in your planner and label them high energy, medium energy, and low energy. Next, list out tasks based on effort and focus level instead of scheduling them by the hour. Then all you gotta do is work from your list based off of your real-time energy. I love energy blocking because it's more flexible than time blocking, and it lets me be productive without feeling burnt out. It adjusts to my real-time energy, which is exactly what I need when having an unpredictable schedule, and most importantly, energy blocking has helped me stop feeling guilty because I still am making progress, but just in a way that fits better within my day. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your high energy and low energy tasks? Now, I like energy blocking, but I love reverse planning, also known as memory planning. And I've been memory planning since my first Moxie Life planner over 5 years ago. Sometimes planning ahead doesn't always work, but highlighting what you actually do does. That's where reverse planning comes in. Maybe you struggle with rigid schedules, feeling discouraged when your plans change, or maybe you want to be more mindful of how you spend your time. Reverse planning is an absolute game changer. Instead of planning your week ahead, you log what you actually do each day. You focus on tasks you completed, important moments, and things you want to remember. And if you want to get extra fancy, don't be afraid to add a sticker or 2. I love reverse planning because it relieves the pressure of pre-planning, and I can just record what happens instead. It helps me with gratitude and having a growth mindset, and overall, it just increases my self-awareness and mindfulness. Go ahead and drop a star in the comments if you're excited to try reverse planning. We covered how to plan based off your energy levels. We talked about reverse planning. Now let's talk about another one of my favorite ways to plan your week: theming your days. If you ever feel all over the place when planning, struggle with decision fatigue, planning fatigue, heck, all the fatigues, then giving a theme to your days might be something you want to try. Instead of jumping between random tasks, you assign a theme to each day of the week. Here's how it works. Pick a theme for each day of the week. For me, Mondays are my admin day, Tuesdays and Thursdays would be my creative and deep work day, Wednesdays would be my meeting days, Fridays are when I take care of stuff around the house, Saturday would be all about family and friends, and Sundays would be my rest and reset day. Then from there, we just assign specific tasks that align with each theme. Then we work within that theme for the day, helping us to stay focused and reduce process fatigue. I absolutely love theming my days because it gives each day a sense of direction, so I know what to focus on each day. It eliminates the decision fatigue, and I don't waste time wondering what to do next. It helps me stay present and engaged, and it helps me know that each task has its place throughout the week. It's like flexible structure. Let me know in the comments, what would your theme days look like? Like I said earlier, when we're in a planner slump, instead of ditching our planners, let's use them differently. These 3 spreads will help you plan in a way that matches your energy and your season and your mindset. And if you need an extra boost, make sure you register for our free training. This is your chance to refresh, reset, and pick back up your planner. If you're feeling burnt out, disconnected, or waiting for the right time to prioritize yourself, in this free training, we're going to help you break the cycle to reset your clarity, start building a life that truly feels like yours. You must register using the link in the description box. And if you need a fresh planner, now is the time. All of our weekly planners are on sale, both in our physical and digital formats. I may have even picked up a weekly planner to start reverse planning again. Don't tell my iPad. Anyway, don't forget to hit that like button, if you found this video helpful, and hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Anyway, I am so grateful that you are a part of our Moxie fam, and I will see you next time. Bye.